Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this last video of the Profam series. And if you truly been watching the Profam series from the beginning, from video 1 till the last video, that means that you truly have the passion about learning how to trade Profams and make a good living from trading Profams. So this is probably gonna be the last video, and in today's video I'm going to explain exactly how trading just simple Profam companies allows me to change my whole life. Like, my life right now have never been the way I even ever thought of, like how they are going to be. So basically, you guys may not know, but I started trading in 2022. So as I'm making this video series here, is currently 2025. So that's like 3 good years that have passed by. And for 3 years, I went from not having $100 in my bank account into being able to travel around the world, buying properties, buying things, making myself happy, making well over 20, 30, $40,000 monthly. Everything was made possible thanks to Forex trading. But most importantly, it made possible through trading with prop firms, right? So I'm gonna tell you guys a small about my trading journey, especially prop firms related, and you'll see how that could also change your own life. So basically, when I started trading in 2022, I was trading synthetic indices, right? Like, those derivative kind of thing. And I wasn't profitable, that's at first. And secondly, I knew that on a long run, if I truly want to make a lot of money from trading, I would need to have like bigger account size to make money. Because like my friends used to tell me always that in trading you don't need to like make a crazy percentage, you need to make anywhere from 1% to 5% a month. But when I think, like, for me to make a good amount of money living 5%, it's truly not enough. Because 5%, even if I have like $1,000, 5% is like $50, and $50 will never change my life. So from there, I knew that there is something that is missing to me, because like I didn't have enough money to trade and make like thousands of dollars monthly. And because of that, I started like hearing about profit. And at the beginning, I started with my Forex funds. So I bought a couple of accounts. But again, before I started with my Forex funds, I shifted from trading derivative to trading Forex. Because when you trade derivative is just a broker. And when you're trading those synthetic indices, you don't have access to things like prop firms. So I need to shift to trading Forex for me to get access to prop firms. So once I shifted to Forex, I didn't directly go and buy a big account, not like 100K and directly pass and get payout. No, I started with 5K. The smallest account I started with 5K, and somehow I managed to pass my first 5K. I even got funded, but I lost the account. I didn't get a payout. So for the longest time, for I think 6 months straight, I've been blowing account. And by the way, if you're feeling down that maybe right now, maybe you've been trading prop firms and you blew a lot of account and you're watching this video, probably this video could change your life. One thing you have to understand is I myself, I blew a lot of account at the beginning when I started trading. If I'm not joking, I blew well over 30 to even 50 account on my first year of start trading. But the good thing is I've been trading with 5K account, okay? And a 5K account with my Forex funds, right now, they're no longer there, but 5K was costing, I don't know, somewhere from $30 to $40. It wasn't that expensive. And if you do that times 50, I didn't spend more than $10,000 buying challenge, anywhere from maybe 5,000 at the highest, right? So I didn't spend too much money buying challenge. So you'll ask me, Astuce, where did you get the money to buy the account at the first place? One thing is, I truly work on my money management. When I was buying 5K account, it's not because I only had the $50. Because I started trading, I made some money from trading derivative, but again, I didn't make so much money. When I shifted to Forex, Forex was slightly different from derivative, so I was losing money. But one thing is, I made some money from when I was doing crypto back in 2021. So the money I made from crypto, which was I think anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, I used that money to now buy Profam Challenge. But I didn't go for 100K. Okay, I didn't go for 100K. I didn't go for 200K. I went for what? I went for 5K account. With 5K account, I know that if I have $1,000, I have like a lot of opportunities for me to be able to pass the account. So that's how I truly did, and I did that with my Forex funds until I was able to like start mastering my emotion, start getting some payout, not just from my Forex funds, but I got payout from other prop firms as well. But the real issue I truly had. But before I get into the issue, how did I go from not being profitable and then start getting few payout from trading profits? One thing is I understood money management. I don't just go and buy the biggest account. I go and buy a small account based on like how much money I have. And then from the money I have, I buy and I try to like work on my trading strategy. If I lose an account today, I want to know why did I lose an account? Did I lose to daily drawdown? Did I lose to trading drawdown? Did I lose to what? If I lose an account to daily drawdown, I'm making sure next time I buy an account, I don't lose an account to daily drawdown again, right? So this is how I was able to improve every single mistake I've had. At the beginning, even lot size, I didn't know. Like, I was opening a wrong lot size, I was losing money, and probably I didn't know swap fee, and then swap fee just take all my money. Or maybe I didn't know that a problem has trailing drawdown. I lost a lot of account to almost every single scenario. But how did I end up being successful? Because I did my best to learn from every single mistake. And trust me, you are going to make mistakes, you are going to learn from them. But if you buy big account, the mistakes are going to be costly, right? Every single account you blow, if you have 100K, you're going to lose $500. And you can lose as far as 20 accounts on a row without passing it, especially if it's your beginning in forex trading, right? So this is how I did to fix pretty much most of my issues. I got a profitable trading strategy, and then after fixing all my issue, then I was able to get funded, get some payout. But the real issue after me getting payout is that, you know, at the beginning when I was trading my own personal account with Exness and some other brokers, I used to overtrade. I traded a lot because if I want to make a lot of money, I need to trade literally every single day for me to make that amount of money. But then when I started trading prop firms, even when I got profitable, I still had that issue where I was over trading. I trade today, I make money, and then I still trade tomorrow and I lose all the money. Or maybe I traded in the morning, I made money, and in the evening I lose everything. So I still had that issue. And secondly, I was partialing a lot. When I started trading probably a 10K account, and then my trade is maybe running like $300 in profit. And for me, when I was trading personal account, $300 was a lot of money. My TP was like $50, $200. So when I see my trade running $300 in profit in prop firm, I mostly close out or I partial because I'm seeing I'm making a lot of money. But at the end, doing that prevents me from sometimes even passing challenge because you need to make a crazy amount of percentage, crazy amount of money. Or sometimes I tend to like get really small payout. I make like maybe $100 payout. Meanwhile, if I held that trade long enough, I'll be able to make more money. So I understood that, okay, I mastered my trading strategy, I mastered all the rules, I can't make those kind of mistakes again. But now my psychology, I always close my trade because I'm used to trading personal account, and that as well, it took me a lot of time. So if I should give you like a timeline, from 2022 I started trading. By 2023, I got profitable trading profits. But again, I had issue of that partial where I am not making a lot of money. So I took my time, I've learned, I've tried to like, master to like hold my emotion. When I see money, I don't see the money as money, but I see the money as, how do I call this? I see the money as percentage gain. If I make $1,000 today, I'm not gonna tell you that I made $1,000. I made 1%, I made 5%, I made 10%. That's how I start seeing things. And from there, I saw that was really helping. And I started learning things like using TradingView alert to probably not always look at the chart. And whenever I make money on an account, I try to log out. And all of that I did throughout 2024. It has changed my life, right? 2024 was that year where like everything was like boom. 2022, 2023, it was slow. I was making money. 2022, I was not profitable. 2023, I was making money, but not a lot of money. And then 2024, that's when everything took off. I started mastering my emotion, and that's when everything has changed. Right now, for the past how many months? For the past 8 months, I'm not joking, I don't think that they've made a single month that I made less than $10,000. And all of that is thanks to prop firm. And I wasn't over trading. I wasn't trading every single day. I literally just trade maybe twice in a week. I don't trade more than twice in a week. If I trade this week twice, let's say if I have only a few accounts, maybe 2 trading accounts, I trade those 2 accounts, and then if I made money, I'm not trading that account until next week. And if I get paid, that's when I resume trading. And that gave me so much freedom. And with all of that freedom, it allows me to build my social media, make more content for you guys, spend time with my family, with my girlfriend, spend time traveling. And yes, it started like building a bit about myself. I'm not always on the chart as I used to do. And right now, I make so much money that I know that even if I take 6 months of trading without even trading any funded, I made a lot of money in the past trading profits already. And one more thing is, as far as you are a funded trader, you got funded and then you start making money from funded account, your life is gonna be way easier. You're gonna have less stress. You don't have to trade too much. And one more thing I understood is, there's no way you are going to keep a funded account forever. So you're always gonna go through that process of getting funded, making money, getting payout, blow the account, go back, buy another account, try to pass, get funded, make payout. So at the end, you're going to lose some account, you are going to make payout from some account, and when you put everything together, you'll see that you'll make far more money from payout than the money you used to buy challenge at the first place. So it makes everything easy. You have the time, and then as far as like you build yourself, how you see the money, how you have the right trading strategy, you have everything that you have. That's when your life actually starts changing, when you are trading profits. So this is what has happened to me. I went from not having $100 into starting trading profit, not being funded, to losing well over 50 accounts, and then somehow managed to start getting payout and then make a lot of money from trading profits, making well over $10,000 to $40,000. So that is only possible through profit. You can do that with personal account, but you need a lot of money on your personal account before you do it. So as most of you guys, have like $50,000 on your bank to just deposit and make money. So you can just take the small you can, $50, $100, go and purchase your funded account and try to, follow all the rules to get paid. And then that's how you can start creating your financial freedom. And by the way, if you ever get into the stage I am right now, where you are making a good amount of money from trading profits, one thing I'm gonna tell you is, try to invest that money you're making from profits. Because yes, profits have been around for the past 10 years. They will probably be around for the next maybe 10 years as well. But nothing is truly guaranteed. We never know which profit is gonna go down. We never truly know if those profits may ban you someday if you do something wrong. So you need to, once you start getting like money from those profits, you made a lot of money, take that money and invest in real life. Try to create some business that can create like a stable income, like income for you, right? Passive income for you. So I think that's really important, and I needed to point this out, because I'm not always gonna show you guys the good side of trading profits. There've been profits that banned me. Alpha Capital Group have banned me, FTM have banned me, and I didn't see that coming at first when I started trading profits. So imagine if all the profits I'm trading with right now I get banned from, then I no longer have like some sort of source of income, unless if I start trading my own personal account, or if I build a business in real life, then I can rely on that as well. So yes, you can make a lot of money from trading profits, but at the point when you make so much, probably like anywhere from 50k, 100k, if you actually made 100k cash with you, take that money and try to launch real life business, okay? And I'm really telling you that it's truly gonna help you out. So I think that would be pretty much it for this video. So I really hope that this everything I just told you right now is truly gonna help you. So yes, I truly went from not being funded, not knowing anything about profit, learning, losing money, and getting payout, and then now I have the financial freedom trading just with profits. So yeah, if I did it, you can do it too. So I really wish you the best, and let me know. All I want to hear from you is, go try out every single thing you've learned from this profit series, and then if you are able to make it happen, just tag me. I just want to hear, thank you, Astuce, you've changed my life. That's pretty much all I want to hear from you guys after watching this series. And go and practice, right? Go and put everything into place. So that would be pretty much it for this video. If you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you share this course with your friends, okay? Give them my website, let them go and learn about profit. I have other course you can go and learn. You can learn, I think this video is about trading CFDs. I'm actually gonna make a series for features as well. You can go and check that out. You can go and learn about just trading strategy. I have a lot of courses you can go through, and I really hope that you are gonna get everything you would ever need to become profitable with AstuceFX Academy. So that's pretty much it. See you guys on my next course. Bye bye.